OpenAI has just released the latest Image 1.5 model. The goal of this update is very clear: to close the gap with Google in the field of image generation. If you are familiar with Google Gemini's powerful image editing capabilities, you'll find that OpenAI means business this time. So let's go straight into a hands-on head-to-head comparison to see whether it can go toe-to-toe. First, GPT has added a new tab for image generation where you can find and quickly use it. Next, the most direct improvement of the new model is speed. Image 1.5's image generation speed is a full 4 times faster than the previous generation. Now you can generate multiple images in parallel with almost no waiting. In terms of image quality comparison, I tested several of the recent popular techniques. Whether in detail or lighting, both are excellent but different in style. GPT's images have a slightly better sense of texture/feel, while Banana's images deliver stronger realism. On image editing and consistency, Google's previous lead came from its ability to precisely modify images while maintaining object consistency. Now ChatGPT can do that too, and the results are on par. So my final conclusion is, OpenAI has successfully closed the gap. You can choose whichever you prefer based on the differing styles of the two models. Finally, I'd like to introduce an online tool called Pixpretty. It allows you to do virtual try-ons for free, completely eliminating the need for complicated prompts, and lets you get a professional outfit changing experience with just one click. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.